Through novel materials and 3D printing approaches, we're aiming to build a future where we can program the eardrum to repair itself after injury. Perforated tympanic membranes, also known as ruptured eardrums, are extremely common, and they happen to about 30 million individuals worldwide each year. What if we could program the eardrum to repair itself following injury? In our group, we've developed a novel device known as the PhonoGraft that is 3D printed into an architecture that matches the circular and radial structure of the normal eardrum. And what this means is that it's able to vibrate well at both low and high frequencies. And additionally, as native cells from the patient grow onto these grafts and remodel the tissue, it begins to look like tissue that matches that of the original eardrum, so that over time, an intact natural eardrum is reformed as the graft degrades. We're hoping to build a better future where we can create these phonografts using novel materials and 3D printing to actually program the eardrum to repair itself.